There's nothing quite like stepping out into your garden and harvesting a basket overflowing with fresh, vibrant produce. That deep sense of satisfaction, of nurturing life from the soil up, it's a feeling unlike any other. Here on this channel, we're all about embracing the joys and rewards of gardening. From revitalizing your soil to selecting the perfect plants and mastering the art of watering to naturally boosting your harvest, we'll unlock the secrets to a truly bountiful garden. So let's grab our tools and step into this adventure together. I'm so glad you've joined me today as we delve into some practical, easy-to-follow tips and tricks to transform your garden into a flourishing haven. Before sowing seeds or planting seedlings, focus on the foundation of a thriving garden, the soil. Plants crave nutrient-rich, well-structured soil to thrive. Think of your soil as a living ecosystem teeming with beneficial organisms. Adding compost is simple and effective. Compost improves soil structure and provides essential nutrients. A simple compost heap or bin will do the trick. Incorporate organic matter like well-rotted manure or leaf mold. Some plants prefer slightly acidic conditions, others more alkaline. A simple soil test reveals your soil's pH level. Healthy soil is the cornerstone of a productive garden. Invest the time to get it right. Now that we've laid the groundwork with healthy soil, let's talk about choosing the right plants for your garden. Companion planting is the practice of growing different plants together for mutual benefit. Certain plants, when grown side by side, can deter pests, attract beneficial insects, improve pollination, and even enhance each other's growth. One classic example is planting marigolds alongside tomatoes. Marigolds naturally repel nematodes, tiny creatures that can damage tomato roots. Another fantastic combination is basil and tomatoes. Not only do they grow splendidly together, but basil is also said to improve the flavor of tomatoes. When selecting plants, it's crucial to consider your local climate and growing conditions. Some plants thrive in warm, sunny environments, while others prefer cooler temperatures and partial shade. Take note of your garden's microclimates too. Look for disease-resistant cultivars and consider planting heirloom varieties for unique flavors and characteristics. And here's a handy tip: try succession planting. Succession planting involves sowing a new batch of seeds every few weeks to ensure a continuous harvest throughout the growing season. Now let's move on to a crucial aspect of gardening that often gets overlooked: watering. It's not just about how much water you give your plants, but how you water them that makes all the difference. One of the most valuable lessons I've learned over the years is the importance of deep watering. Instead of giving your plants a light sprinkle every day, aim to water deeply and less frequently. This encourages the roots to grow deeper into the soil, making them stronger and more resilient to drought conditions. A helpful tip is to stick your finger about an inch into the soil. If it feels dry, it's time to water. And when you do water deeply and slowly, allowing the moisture to penetrate right down to the roots. Mulching is another fantastic way to conserve moisture in your garden. Apply a generous layer of organic mulch, such as wood chips, straw, or compost around your plants. If you live in an area prone to dry spells, consider investing in a drip irrigation system. Drip irrigation delivers water directly to the roots of your plants, minimizing waste and ensuring they receive a consistent supply of moisture. Now for the exciting part, boosting your harvest. While there are countless chemical pesticides and fertilizers available, I firmly believe in harnessing the power of nature to protect our plants and enhance their growth. One of my favorite methods for deterring pests is creating natural repellents using ingredients found right in our kitchens. Garlic, for instance, is a potent natural insecticide. Simply blend a few cloves with water, strain the mixture, and spray it on your plants. Hot peppers are another fantastic pest deterrent. Steep chopped peppers in water, strain the liquid, and add a bit of soap to help it adhere to leaves. Composting, as we discussed earlier, is like magic for your soil. But did you know that compost tea is like a supercharged nutrient boost for your plants? Simply steep compost in water, strain the liquid, and use it to water your plants. Timing is everything when it comes to harvesting. Pick your produce at its peak of ripeness for the best flavor and texture. Just look at this abundance. Fresh, vibrant, and bursting with flavor. The rewards of a little gardening know-how. Remember, anyone can create a thriving garden. It's all about understanding the basics and working in harmony with nature. I encourage you to give these simple yet effective hacks a try in your own garden. You'll be amazed by the difference they make. Gardening is a journey of learning, experimenting, and yes, sometimes even a few mishaps along the way, but most importantly, it's about connecting with nature, nurturing life, and reaping the bountiful rewards. Happy gardening!